Nothing will upgrade your home audio theater or audio setup like a great pair of floor-standing speakers. They will make your TV feel like a movie theater and your music sound like a recording studio. If you're going to invest in this kind of equipment, you are going to have to spend some money, but you don't have to break the bank. There are some very high-quality floor-standing speakers that can be had for a reasonable investment. After considering many brands and styles of speakers that are available, here are our top 5 best floor-standing speakers under $1,000. Number 5. QAcoustics 3050i Floor-Standing Speaker Pair. These speakers function best when cranked up to high volume. If you aren't going to play at high volumes, then you probably don't want to bother, because they're not much better than a decent pair of bookshelf speakers in that situation. However, if you do want it loud, these speakers from QAcoustics deliver the goods. They have a lot of great technological advancements like P2P bracing, low-profile binding posts, and HPE technology, all of which add up to a set of speakers that is structurally very sturdy and that provides a great audio experience. Number 4. Cerwin-Vega XLS28 Dual 8-inch 3-way Home Audio Floor Tower Speaker. The Cerwin-Vega XLS28 speakers have 3-way performance in the simple, modern, and stylish package. They have a dual 8-inch cast frame high excursion woofer, a 6.5-inch mid-range driver, and a 1-inch soft dome tweeter. They also have a mid and high-frequency waveguide that you can only find on this brand of speaker. While you might find that the high-end bass and volume is not quite where some other brands can get to, these speakers offer a big performance with a slim, good-looking design. Number 3. Polk Audio Monitor 70 Series 2 Floor-Standing Speakers. These Polk Audio Monitor 70 Series speakers are the best bang for the buck, offering incredibly high-end performance at a very reasonable price. The highs on these speakers can be a little tinny and leave a little to be desired, but other than that, they are high-performing speakers. They have dual 6.5-inch composite drivers, flared port minimizes chuffing, and cascade tapered array technology, all of which go toward creating crystal-clear sound and great bass. They look great too with titanium faces and 2 finishes, black or cherry wood grain, to fit in nicely in any space. Number 2. Fluance Signature Series Hi-Fi 3-Way Floor-Standing Tower Speakers. These floor-standing speakers from the Fluance Signature Series come with all the bells and whistles you need for great audio performance. They have 8-inch woofers, ultra-high-end tweeters, and premium mid-range drivers to deliver a truly professional sound quality. They come in 2 cabinet styles, black ash and natural walnut, for a timeless and classy look. With their sleek and slim design, they are not the sturdiest speakers of the bunch, but that is the only small complaint. Overall, these speakers perform as well or better than many higher-priced options, and you will be extremely happy with the way they upgrade your home video or audio setup. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items, and be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1. Klipsch RP280F Reference Premier Floor-Standing Speaker. The beautiful and powerful RP280Fs from Klipsch have sound production that could have you hearing things in your favorite music that you didn't notice before. The company says the goal of this line of speakers is to blow the doors off the expectations of our loyal following and get our fans so close to their music they can touch it, and boy, do they deliver! These speakers offer dual 8-inch cerametallic woofers, the Klipsch Tractrix horn-loaded LTS tweeter, as well as a linear travel suspension which minimizes distortion. That's all to say that you can't beat these speakers for build quality, performance, and overall value, and that's why they're our pick for number 1. If you're a person who loves to listen to music or watch TV or movies in your home, you absolutely should invest in a pair of floor-standing speakers. No matter your tastes, there is a great option on this list. Head over to the description below for links to more detailed info on each of these machines. And remember to leave a comment to let us know your opinion.